here are 1, 2 little puppies, and they look very sleepy. I think they need a bed. Oh, here's a pillow. Here's a pillow. Oh, can they sleep together? Yeah, but guess what? It's not too comfortable sleeping on the floor, is it? All right, get off the bed, please. Let's find you a proper bed. Let's see here. Here's a bed. Now let's put the pillow on the bed here. Does that look comfy? And let's see if this little puppy wants to go to bed and sleep in this nice, comfy bed. I think he does. Oh, look, his little sister wants to join. Look, that looks pretty comfy. Oh, and guess what? There are more silly puppies sleeping in different beds. There's another silly puppy over here. These are puppies that you could make today or tomorrow or whenever. You cut them out, and I didn't color them, but you should take out your colored pencils, and after you cut them out or before you cut them out, you color them with your pencils, and then you can get an envelope. You need a business size envelope, and that's the bed. Isn't that just so cool? Hope you have fun today, whatever you decide to do. I hope it's not raining, but if it is, you have a little rainy day project here. With love from Baby. Mwah.